Look at that cheesy goodness. Today we're making cheesy baked Alfredo. Let's get it. So for the ingredients, we have the juices that I cooked the chicken in. This is a leftover recipe, and I cooked my chicken in the crock pot for about 8 hours. These are drums. We have parsley, garlic, Monterey Jack, and mozzarella cheese, Alfredo sauce, Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and of course our pasta. So the first thing we're gonna do is get our water boiling, and while we wait for that to come to a rolling boil, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our parsley and our garlic. Make sure everything is all ready. It's a really quick and easy recipe. I went ahead and salted my water off camera. You see it's at a rolling boil. We're gonna go ahead and add that pasta. And I like to give it a quick initial stir just to ensure that that pasta doesn't stick to itself. And then we're gonna cook it till it's al dente. Drain it, add it to our baking dish, and then from here on, it's really smooth sailing. We're just gonna go layers and layers. So I'm gonna add a nice little pat of butter, because who doesn't like a nice buttery flavor? And then we're gonna go ahead and add a nice amount of that chicken, mix it in. I was gonna say layer it, but we're gonna add that seasoning in there. So we're gonna have to make sure everything's pretty well combined. Anyway, well, not combined, but distributed would be the correct term. And that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and layer it with some of that cheese. Again, this is mozzarella and Monterey Jack. We're gonna pour over that Alfredo sauce, then our minced garlic, and then we're gonna add some cheese and just layer, layer, layer. You guys, same thing, repeat the process. If you're using a bigger dish, you would use more ingredients, obviously. But look how good that looks already. We're gonna mix it up, make sure everything is distributed. So because my baking dish wasn't that big, I only did 2 layers. This is the final layer of cheese. We're gonna go ahead and pop that in the oven. I started off at 375, and I realized that my cheese wasn't browning enough on the top, so I went ahead and kicked it up to 425. So you can actually start at 425. We're gonna do this for about 25 minutes, 20-25 minutes. And this is what it looked like, you guys. Super delicious, like super yummy. If you love pasta, this is the dish for you. Super easy. Your 6-year-old niece can do it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.